Good day everyone. I'm a part of the team of Future Educators and today we are here to encourage you to consider teachers education is a choosing a career is one of the most important decisions a student will make in life. There are many professions to choose from such as business, engineering, medicine, and technology. Each careers has its own benefits and opportunities. However, one of professions stand out not only a source of income but also as a meaningful and purposeful, purposeful calling teachers. Teaching is not just about delivering lessons inside a classroom. It is about shaping minds, building careers, and guiding the future generation. For this reason, teachers is a career worth considering, especially for grade 12 students who are preparing for their next step in life. First, teaching is known as noble profession. It is often called the foundations of the others professions because every professionals start as a student guided by a teacher. Without teachers, there will be no doctors, engineers, lawyer, or leader. Teachers play a very important role in society because of they help a student gain knowledge, develop skills, and build values. They do not only teach an academic subject but also guide student in becoming responsible and respectful individuals. In many ways, teachers help shape the future of the nation. Other reason to choose teaching is the opportunities to make difference in the lives of others. Not of careers allows a person to directly influence and inspire people every day. Teachers have the chance to impact their student in meaningful ways. A simple words of encouragement from teachers can motivate a student to work harder and believe in themselves. When students feel lost or discouraged, teachers can guide them and help them find direction. These small actions can create a lasting impact that student career with them throughout their lives and being able to change someone's life. For other reader is one of the most rewarding aspect of teaching. In addition, teachers are protected by their rights and professionals. They have the right to be respected by student, parent, and the community. Teaching is a profession that deserve recognition and appreciation. Teachers also have the right to work in a safe and supportive environment where they can perform their duties effectively. School and educational institutions are responsible for ensuring that teachers are treated fairly and friendly and given the protection they need. Furthermore, teachers have the right to receive proper compensation for their hard work, inclusion salaries, and benefits that reflect their dedication and service. Teaching also offers several privileges and benefits that make it an attractive career choice. One of the main advantage is job stability. Teachers are always in demand because education is a continuous need in society. As long as there are students, there will always be a need for a teacher. This makes teaching a secure and reliable profession. Teachers also receive government benefits such as health, insurance, retirement plans, and other forms of support. In addition, teachers often have scheduled breaks such as summer vacation and holiday, which allows them to rest, spend time with their families, or pursue personal interests. These benefits contribute to a balanced and stable lifestyle. Other important aspect of teaching is professional growth. Teaching help individuals develop essential skills such as communication, competence, creativity, and leadership. Teachers interact with different type of student. It's it's with unique personalities and learning styles. This challenges them to become more flexible and innovative innovative in their teaching methods. Over time, teachers become more confident and effective in handling different situations. They also continue learning throughout their careers by attending trainings, seminars, and further studies. In this way, teaching is a profession that encourages lifelong learning and self-improvement. Despite its many advantages, it is important to recognize that teaching also comes with challenges. Teaching is not an easy job and requires dedication, competence, and hard work. Teachers often spend long hours preparing lesson, checking an assignment, and managing classroom activities. There are in time when students may be difficult to handle or when workload become overwhelming. In some cases, teachers may feel underappreciated for their effort. However, these challenges are part of the profession and can be overcome with passion and commitment. Many teachers continue to stay in the profession because of the fulfillment they experience when they see their student succeed. Moreover, teaching is a career when strong sense of purpose. It is not just about earning a living but also about serving others. Teachers act as role model who demonstrate good values, discipline, and positive behavior. Through their action, they teach students how to become responsible members of society. Teachers contribute to nation building by helping create an education and morally upright nation. Their influence goes beyond the classroom and extend to the community and the country as a whole. For grade 12 students who are still undecided about their future, teacher is career that deserves serious consideration. If you enjoying helping others, sharing knowledge, and guiding people, then teaching may be the right path for you. You do not need to be a perfect to become a teacher. What matters must if you passion, willingness to learn, and dedication to making a difference. With proper training and education, anyone can become a effective and inspiring teacher. Another important reason to choose teaching is the opportunity to build a strong relationship and connection with student and the community. Teaching is not only about delivering lesson but also about understanding student needs, emotion, and background. Teachers often become mentors, role models, and even second parent to their student. They provide guidance not only academic but also in personal growth and decision making. Through this connection, teachers create a positive and supportive learning environment where students feel safe, valid, and motivated to learn. This kind of impact cannot easily be measured but is deeply meaningful and long-lasting. Furthermore, teachings open many opportunities for careers, advancement, and specialization, specialization. A teacher is not limited to staying in one position for a lifetime. When experienced and further studies, teachers can become school heads, principal, supervisor, or even education leaders and police makers. Some teachers also choose to specialize in areas such as special education, early childhood education, or educational technology. And that's all. Thank you.